Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to become a Whop partner and start making money. But before we jump into the tutorial, let me quickly explain what Whop.com is. So, Whop is an all-in-one platform where creators can sell digital products, memberships, communities, softwares, courses, and others. Basically, it's anything digital. Everything is managed in one place. It's like an app store, but for online businesses. So there are three ways to make money. First, you can make money by selling your own products, your own digital products, launching a course, or even offering access to a private community like this. That's a lot of private community and others. And the second way, you can also make money as an affiliate. So if you click one of the course or private community, you can scroll down and you will find like this, add to my affiliate dashboard, and you can get a link so you can promote it. That means every time someone buys using your link, you can earn a commission. And the third way, you can also become a Whoop partner. This means you refer creators to join Whoop, and whenever they make money, either by selling products or through affiliate earnings, you will earn a share too. So it's a powerful way to build passive income just by helping others get started. So, okay, let's dive into the tutorial. First, you can go to your whoop.com and make sure you have signed in. If you are not signed up yet, you can join with my link in the description or the comment. And then you can sign in. After that, you can go to your left side here. And as you can see, there's affiliates. You can click it. And then as you can see, there is Whoop Partners. You can click this one. Okay, so become Whoop Partners. Become Whoop Partners, refer users, and make money whenever Whoop makes money for the next 50 years. So yeah, if you share your link and you will get paid anytime Whoop makes money for the next 50 years. And there is this is the calculation. So as you can see, you will get 4% of the volume if your river users selling products. And if uh, refer a user and earn 0.5% all the money they spend on off. So if your users spend spend the money, you will get 0.5% of the volume. So this is the simulation. Let's see like this. Yeah, you can try it. So if you want to become a member, you can just click apply to be a partner here. Okay, so it seems it's not available right now for me. Maybe later when you see this video, it's available. So yeah, I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.